These are probably a different color. Look at this.
Oh my god, ew.
Hey, I know y'all see the detective glove. I wasn't even about to film today, low-key. I was gonna do this not a live cop video. That shit got binned. Then I saw the slides that I wear for work, my Yeezy slides. Yes, y'all probably seeing B-roll right now. Them shits look beyond disgusting. So I looked at them shits, I'm like, bro, these gotta get clean. Then my girl gave me the idea to make a whole video on it. So I'm like, bro, this shit about to happen right now. Let's not waste no time. So I did, low-key, and I already cleaned one, my bad. But hey, we got another slide to touch on in this video, and we gonna get straight to it. But if you're doing up enjoying this one, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel. Come on, bro, we are posting consistently for y'all. Like, we not playing with y'all no more. So subscribe, leave a like, and with all that being said, let's get straight to it. Alright, y'all, so we in the kitchen right now, and if y'all could see these, like, bro, look at these. Really, take a look at these, bro. Look at all that dirt and grime that these have. Literally, they have my toe marks, if y'all could see it. The back of these shits look crazy. Like, look at the bottom of this. It's insane, bro. Like, shit makes no sense. But we about to take care of that. So this is all you need, realistically. So I got this sneaker cleaner from TJ Maxx. Initially, I don't even normally get this. I get the Grandma Secret, and bro, if you live by a TJ Maxx, get you that shit. It removes wine, fucking marinara sauce, whatever you getting into, that shit could take it off. This sounds like a promo at this point, but yeah, I got this from TJ Maxx. Realistically, all you need is this right here. This and some water, bro, all you need, badass. Let's go ahead, spray her down.
You want garlic parm?
Garlic parm, Korean, all that. Spray her down real quick. Don't be gentle with it. You want to get up in there. You feel me? You want to go ahead and make sure you get in all them crevices, because I've been putting dirt into these for so long. At this point, I got to really go in. If you didn't know, when it comes to cleaning sneakers, suds are your friend. Literally, that's what basically removes the dirt. And yeah, this little Dollar Tree brush, nothing too special. Honestly, to get in the inside though, you do want to use like a little toothbrush or something. I don't really care too much because they're literally going to get dirty again. Basically what I'm doing in there, if y'all can't see, I'm going back and forth on these little fucking hoofs. I don't know what you even call these shits, but I'm going back and forth on it just to make sure I get all that grime out. Yo, look at the fucking, ugh.
Why are you wearing a glove on the hand that you're not even, look the time you're touching?
It's because this is the opposite side.
Right in the comments.
It is what it is. I should have just wore two.
Smack the like button.
Yo, the good thing about these slides is that literally they're fucking foam, so you could just keep wearing them and cleaning them, bro. All right, let's see the first wash off. Bro, come on. Come on. Off the first rinse? Come on, bro. It don't even need more. Like, we chilling. Yo, these VNDS. I just gotta hit it up a little bit right here and right here. We good. We good. Get some more spray in. Hit it a little bit in the toe area. So this is the finished product. I'll show y'all a little bit more in the studio, but yeah, they looking 100% better. So this is what they looking like after we cleaned them. I'm gonna show y'all in the studio once I dry them off, because I'm not trying to make a mess. Wifey gonna kill me, literally. So I gotta go ahead, dash to the stoop. I'm gonna show y'all what they look like. I'm gonna catch y'all, hold on. So I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, bro. It's been like 2 days since I cleaned these, and I even wore them to work again. But no fear, because these shits still look like 50 times better than what they did before. The bottom is a little dirty, obviously, but y'all saw how these shits looked before. These almost look DS, low-key. The outside just look crazy, but if you're trying to go further in on these, you can even, but if you wanted to clean your Yeezy slides even further by removing those creases, all you literally have to do is put a wet towel over it and iron it out, bro. Shit'll come right out. These shits will look clean. You can use that or a steamer on top of the wet towel, and that literally will turn your 5 out of 10 Yeezy slides to like a 8.5. Just clean them. If you feel like you want to remove your creases or you're just trying to make these shits look new for the summer, these are the steps you have to follow. Literally just clean them with some soap, water, a brush, get down and dirty on them shits. Hey, they down and dirty again. Go in on them twice if you have to, you feel me? Just finesse it. We know what we doing. You don't really gotta spend hella beans on sneaker cleaners. I do feel like for certain sneakers, it's probably better to buy an actual sneaker product so you don't mess them up. But for Yeezy slides, foam runners, and things like that, low key with some soap and water, a little brush, you good to go. One last look on the Yeezy slides. These shits went from like a 6 out of 10 to like a 8 out of 10. I just need to get these little creases out right there, but honestly, I don't really give a fuck. Yeah, man, let me know if y'all enjoyed this video. Leave a like. I know it's a quick little video, but hey, some of y'all might be scared to wash these shits. Just wash them, bro. It's easy. Wash your slides, bro. You walk in dirt, you take the dirt off. You go wash a car, wash these bitches. Trust me, bro. Low-key, it's easier than you think. And I had these filthy for no reason, because now whenever they get dirty, I'ma just, let me take care of them. That's all I gotta do. But yeah, leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel. If you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content, roll to 20K. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.